Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Checking back in with you. It's 12:15. It's actually during the Twilight Zone. You'll rarely hear from me during the Twilight Zone, but I'm watching something here that I like, and I'll occasionally trade if there's a compelling setup. This may be one. Don't know for sure, but let's see. All right, so we got the 30-minute zone breaking, not closing yet, but dropping down to the 15-minute chart and then to the 10-minute. Just thinking this through now here with you guys. Real time, which is what trading is all about. Back to the 30. Now back to the sisters. Get a clue here as to what's happening on the 1-minute chart. Below VWAP on all three now, including the NASDAQ, which was holding up the best. This is a bearish posture, obviously. This is the S&P. This is the NASDAQ dropping down. The Dow breaking through, dropping to the 15-minute chart, 12-minute. Okay, guys, here's what I'm going to do. Sell stop below these two wicks. Sell stop below these two wicks. Sell stop. That's a live order now, guys. Live order right there. Sell stop for continuation trade here. Bear with me. Just flipping over to my own 15-minute chart on my platform. Sell stop below. For a wick fill. See that wick fill right there? That big wick right there. And that order's live. And now we wait. So what's interesting about this one is that, one might say, well, isn't the ZO down here on the 15-minute chart? So I'd be looking for an impulse based on this time frame. Let me just undo that, but bring you back to the 30. On the 30-minute, we have broken through the 30-minute zone, working with the wickage over here. Not a real word, but I made it up. Quite like it. And then using this wick as the target. I'm just watching the other sisters here on a different monitor at the same time. You'll see getting a little bit of strength here in the NASDAQ. I'll have to keep my eyes on that. I'm going to expand this so we can see a little bit more detail here. Yeah, so that NAS is showing us a bullish posture at this point, just on the micro scale. Of course, this is a 1-minute chart, but it does matter. Watching. I could very easily and very quickly flip to a long here, guys, because of what I'm seeing here. Failure to reach a new low. Structure breaks on the 1-minute chart. Hope you can excuse my voice, guys. Very dry air in here and struggling a little bit with some raspiness. I appreciate your patience with me. I'll put you on pause for now. We'll see how this goes. Pause. Alright guys, still watching here. A few minutes have passed and really nothing going on. This is the Twilight Zone. It's 12:27. So it's sluggish, but I like the look of it, and this is why I'm here. It would be a continuation of the current 30-minute candle, but this 30-minute candle only has 1 minute and 36 seconds left in it. So why don't we watch this play out together here? I will put you on pause for the rest of this candle, and I'll bring you back. All right, guys, 13 seconds left in this candle. There's a chance it won't even close into this new range. It's got 4 seconds left. 2, 1. Okay, it will. There it is. And now I will look for the break below in the wick fill. First and upper wick, which would be nice. Let me show you the entire trading screen here. Bearish daily. Started very bullish, ended, or so far has turned into a bearish candle. Rejected from here, retracement up, and now attempting to sell off again. Here we go. This is a sell stop order, guys, as I remember, as I explained. If you remember. Just going to shift this over so it can be seen very clearly on the 1 minute chart. Let's take a look at the 2 minute cleaner and the 3 minute cleaner. I'm just shifting this laterally, guys, horizontally, so you can see what the thought process is behind the placement of this. Here we go. Watching closely. Times these things require a lot of patience during the twilight zone in particular, but also with this market being outside of the news, being sluggish as it is. The VIX is only 17.1 today, 17.2, very low, down almost 3% today from yesterday. So even with these big moves, there's a low volatility profile. Here we go, and I'm in, guys. It's got tagged in. So now looking for a continuation of this bearish daily through this clean candle here. Looking for a continuation on the 30-minute following the break of this low. And it's just hanging there, guys. It's not, doing anything impressive here whatsoever to fill this wick. This is a trail that has already been blazed here today in today's session, but specifically in the New York session, which we are still currently in. Definitely some rejecting going on there, though, or some supporting, I should say, from the rejecting forces that were here, and those are still very much clearly still there. Whatever forces were here to defend this zone in this area are still sitting here for now. And they could just be, computer programs. They could be algorithms, and of course a combination of humans, institutional players, foundations, endowments, ETF managers, mutual fund managers, portfolio managers, retail world, bankers, you name it, all of it. Put you on pause for now, guys, just to save you the grind. And pushing down here a little bit. watch that happening here on the 30 and on the daily and of course on the 3-minute chart. Pushing down a little bit. Sometimes this market will fall by gravity even during the lunch hour. It's 12:36. And they're getting defended again right there, guys, with that, as I mentioned, these forces that are here. It might actually take the afternoon caffeine and fuel injection to be able to even break through this. But we'll see. And being bought up. So here are the three sisters. You can see it here on the NASDAQ and on the S&P and of course on the Dow, the one that I'm short. Short the weakest. I'll put you on pause for now. We're back, guys. Just sitting here at break even. Just going to reduce this stop to 45 points. Keep it nice and clean. Delete that marker. Bring back this one. Same thing. I just wanted to make sure it was identical on both. It's the actual entry. Bearish daily having reversed and rejected from above. Bearish zone break and close on the 30-minute chart, pardon me. See that there? Break and close, bearish. And this bearish continuation sequential wave downtrend on the 3-minute chart. Earlier we were looking at the 1-minute chart. It's just a cleaner way to look at it. Looking for a wick fill. This is not the wick. The wick is over here, right? And I'm not looking for every single last piece of it, just the vast majority of it. But this wick, 4 candles ago on the 3-minute chart, did give us clues as to the participants that are down here defending this area. It looks like we're really struggling to get below that, beyond that or below that, especially during the doldrums of the twilight zone here during lunch. Remember, Europe is all closed. All the stock exchanges in London and Europe are now completely closed for the day. They're done. It's just North America and some global players in the futures market. And back on pause. And this, guys, is why trading is actually quite boring. Lots of sitting and waiting, either doing nothing, like not even being in a trade, or being in a trade and it being exceptionally slow and grindy like this. My own fault for trading during the twilight zone, but it's the nature of the beast. Back on pause. Making another attempt at that wick low there and rejecting. It's 12:53. We're moving closer towards 1 o'clock. Sometimes some volume comes in at 1. Sometimes it doesn't come in until 1:30 or 2. And again, rejection, guys. Let's try it again. I'll put you on pause. Finally, a minor new low, but then being rejected again. We'll keep our eye on this now. Being super patient, as you can tell. The bearish posture remains very much intact here on the daily. New low on the 3-minute for now. It's trying to edge down. Bit further. Tightening my stop to above this candle here. Being patient. We need one more good push. One more. And we're done, guys. 45 points. Thank you for being with me. Have an amazing afternoon. We will talk soon. Thank you for your patience. Please click the like button if you don't mind. It helps the algorithm. And we will see you later this afternoon or tomorrow. Have a good evening if we don't talk. Take care.